Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to insert an image into Microsoft Word document. So in order to do that, I'm going to put my cursor before the start of this paragraph in this document, and then I go to Insert tab in the ribbon. There will find an option called Picture. This is this icon, Pictures, and I'm going to click on this. And that gives you several options. So I'm going to bring my picture from my local drive, so I'm going to choose this device, but you can also bring your picture from online. So I'm going to clicking on this, and then my picture, I have put it in this file, so I'm going to insert it. So this has been transported or inserted into this place. Now if you click on this image, there will be a little icon called on the right side called layout options. Okay, and if you click on it, there will be several options, and these are the previews, so you can see whichever option you like. So this basically, if you click on one of this basically brings this text around the picture. So I'm going to click on the second one, and there you go. So now these texts are around this image, which makes it really beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorials and videos helpful, please subscribe my channel.